The Israeli Navy SAR-6 corvette successfully intercepted a drone approaching Israel, using its newest air defense system, Sea Dome. Sea Dome is a naval version of the Iron Dome air defense system, used to shield against rocket and missile attacks. The German government has contracted Rheinmetall to deliver an additional 20 Marder infantry fighting vehicles for Ukraine. These vehicles are equipped with integrated laser range finders for enhanced targeting precision. Russian state media has reported that the Pantsir-M naval air defense system successfully intercepted a long-range Storm Shadow missile fired by Ukrainian forces. The Pantsir-M possesses the capability to engage up to 4 targets simultaneously within a radius of up to 20 kilometers. The French-made DT-26 long-range surveillance drone has demonstrated its multi-role capabilities during tests in the Djibouti desert. The drone underwent intensive testing facing 4 elements: sand, heat, humidity and winds reaching up to 16 meters per second.